Hi, I am Dwanil Sangvi. I manage the marketing and sales and also the technical part of Nita Tours and Travels. I have been associated with Infinity Software for around 4 years, and I was the first operator in Maharashtra to go with Infinity Software. I know Bhavesh much before I started using the software, and he is a guy with great energy and great positivity. So in this experience of 4 years, there has been constant changes and constant improvement in the software that we are using, and I'm glad that Bhavesh and Infinity team is always at our service to help us with whatever issues we are. The bus industry is a very fragrant industry, and building a proper software for this industry is a much difficult job, but Infinity team is giving an excellent service to fulfill all our needs. I'm very happy to say that the software that we use in bus industry is much more strong than what we have in hotels, in airlines, in trains, and any other modes of transport or any related industry. Infinity has also provided us with different solution apart from the main booking engine, that is it provided with iOS apps, Android app, wallet for our customers. Then we have started with the GPS tracking facility recently for all our buses, so that all our customers can track our bus conveniently from their mobile phones or the laptops and computers. For me, Infinity shows a great sign of positivity, and they have still a long way to go in this industry. Uh, the main purpose of using the software is it gives us 24 into 7 into 365 connectivity to all major OTAs. When I signed with Bhavesh for using Infinity, the first thing that we decided was zero downtime, and that's what we have. Using Infinity software in the last 4 years have given me zero downtime on the server. We have we are currently live with almost 20 major OTAs, including our own website, including our own apps, and almost our 75 offices span India. Every one of them uses it live. Also now they have come with different technology where the office is far away and the staff can use his mobile phone as a booking engine and view reports and book tickets on the phone. So I wish Bhavesh and Raju and the entire Infinity team all the best. And it's a long way, but you guys are on the right track, walking with a lot of positivity. And I think now Bhavesh has already also started having international clients. So great going, guys, keep it up, and we are always there to support you guys, and hope your positive attitude remains till the time you are in the industry. Great going, thanks.